Have you ever walked through an ancient woodland? The peace, the strength, the effortless abundance, nature's own garden, thriving without interference. The ground is soft, the air alive, and everything grows in perfect balance. No one fertilizes the oaks or weeds the bluebells, yet life flourishes. As gardeners, we long for this harmony in our own patches. Too often we're taught to fight nature, spraying, tilling, battling pests. But what if we partnered with nature instead? Imagine your soil as alive as a forest floor, teeming with life, creating its own fertility. This isn't a dream. It's possible by shifting from control to cooperation. The health of our plants starts below ground, in the invisible world of microbes. By becoming stewards, not masters, we unlock nature's solutions, turning waste into resources, cultivating life beneath our feet. We can make natural fertilizers from kitchen scraps and weeds, and nurture the microbes that protect our plants. This is the promise of Korean natural farming, a gentle, ancient and innovative way to garden in harmony with the earth. Let's explore how you can bring this wisdom into your own garden. Korean natural farming, or KNF, is a philosophy of working with nature, not against it. Developed by Master Cho Han-kyu in South Korea, KNF asks, how does nature grow so perfectly on its own? Instead of relying on commercial products, KNF empowers you to create your own inputs from local, often free materials, like rice, eggshells, and wild plants. The focus is on nurturing soil life, seeing soil as a living ecosystem, not just dirt. By cultivating beneficial microbes, you create a resilient, self-sustaining garden, no matter its size. To understand KNF, we must look beneath our feet, into the soil's hidden world. Healthy soil teems with billions of microbes, bacteria, fungi and more, forming the soil food web. These tiny workers decompose organic matter, unlock nutrients, and build soil structure. Mycorrhizal fungi connect plant roots, sharing water, nutrients, and even warnings about pests. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides disrupt this delicate web. KNF feeds and supports these microbes with gentle fermented nutrients, fostering a resilient ecosystem. The result? Soil that holds water, resists drought, and grows thriving plants, naturally. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. A cornerstone of KNF is collecting indigenous microorganisms, or IMO. The strongest microbes for your garden are already in your local environment. KNF teaches you to collect these from undisturbed places, like forests, using cooked rice as bait. After a few days, the rice is colonized by local fungi and bacteria. This starter, called IMO1, is mixed with brown sugar to preserve it as IMO2. Later, it's expanded with rice bran and other materials to create IMO3 and IMO4. Adding these to your soil reintroduces resilient, beneficial microbes, restoring life and fertility. These microbes improve soil structure, break down organic matter, and outcompete disease-causing organisms. It's like transplanting the soul of the forest into your garden. This simple act jumpstarts soil regeneration for years to come. With a healthy microbial base, KNF feeds plants with fermented plant juice, FPJ, and fermented fruit juice, FFJ. FPJ is made by fermenting fast-growing plant tips with brown sugar, capturing their nutrients and growth hormones. Use FPJ during vegetative growth for a gentle nitrogen boost. FFJ is made from ripe fruits, rich in potassium and phosphorus, perfect for flowering and fruiting stages. Both are easy to make. Chop, mix with sugar, ferment, and dilute before applying. These natural brews give plants exactly what they need, when they need it. No risk of burning, no synthetic chemicals, just pure, plant-available nutrition. It's gardening in harmony with nature's cycles. KNF also strengthens plants with water-soluble calcium, WCA, and Oriental Herbal Nutrient, OHN. WCA is made by dissolving roasted eggshells in vinegar, creating a calcium-rich solution for strong cell walls and healthy fruits. OHN is a fermented blend of medicinal herbs like garlic and ginger, boosting plant immunity and resilience. These inputs act like supplements, helping plants resist pests and diseases naturally. Apply WCA during flowering and fruiting for firm, sweet produce. Use OHN to build overall plant health and deter problems before they start. Simple, homemade, and powerful. These are KNF's secret weapons for robust gardens. Just as probiotics benefit our health, lactic acid bacteria, LAB, transform the garden. LAB is made by fermenting rice wash and milk, producing a serum full of beneficial bacteria. When applied to soil, LAB speeds decomposition, releases nutrients, and suppresses harmful pathogens. As a foliar spray, LAB colonizes leaf surfaces, crowding out disease-causing fungi and improving photosynthesis. It even deters some pests and cleans leaves for better growth. Making LAB is simple, cheap, and incredibly effective. It's a powerful tool for boosting soil fertility and plant health. With LAB, your garden's ecosystem becomes stronger and more resilient. Healthy microbes mean healthy plants. KNF might sound complex, but you can start with simple steps. Save your rice wash water and use it to water houseplants or seedlings. It's full of nutrients. Let rice wash ferment a few days for a gentle microbial tonic. Gather leaf mold from under trees or in woodlands and sprinkle it on your beds to inoculate your soil with beneficial microbes. Don't try to make every input at once. Start with one, like FPJ. Chop up vigorous weeds, mix with brown sugar, and watch the transformation. Each small step connects you to the cycles of growth and decay. KNF is forgiving and deeply satisfying. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the process. Your garden will thank you. As you try KNF, you'll notice subtle changes. Greener leaves, richer soil, more earthworms. These are your garden's responses to your care. KNF is more than techniques. It's a conversation with your land. You'll learn to observe, respond, and support your plants naturally. Feeding your garden with homemade inputs deepens your connection and closes the loop. Waste becomes wealth. Your role shifts from manager to collaborator, working with nature, not against it. Be curious and gentle with yourself and your garden. Start with one small thing: rice wash, leaf mold, or FPJ. Don't worry about perfection. Nature is forgiving. KNF is about connection, not control. By embracing these principles, you join the ancient dance of life in your garden. That's the true reward of gardening in harmony with nature.